Hi and a very good day. My name is Sri Shazwani Binti Ramli and my metric number is A20SC0451. I'm going to talk about thermodynamics, which play an important role in our daily lives in this video. So what is the definition of thermodynamics? Thermodynamics is a relationship between various forms of energy, direction, and energy change involved particular system. There are two laws that we frequently consider. Number one is the first law, which states that energy can change form but the overall energy remains constant during the process. It's important to keep in mind that energy cannot be created or destroyed. Besides, there is also the second law of thermodynamics, which states that energy has both a quality and a quantity. Heat, also often known as thermal energy, which is one of the several types of energy. Heat can be exchanged between two systems or between a system and its surrounding. When there is a temperature difference, the larger the temperature difference, the faster the heat transfer rate. Thermodynamics govern everything around us, including cooking process. We can take example which baking cookies in an oven. How thermodynamics work on an oven. A thermo-insulated chamber used for baking, heating, or drying a product, particularly in cooking processes, is known as an oven. According to the first law, energy can change form, and in this case, mechanical energy is converted to electrical energy and thermal energy in an oven. Let's take a closer look at each energy's outcome. The first one is when pressing the button on the electrical socket, mechanical energy was employed to turn on the oven, activating the electrical energy from the socket. The second one is the electrical energy produced by the circuit will flow through the metal tubes in the oven, producing the thermal energy. Lastly is thermal energy. There were three methods for transferring heat. Convection, conduction, and radiation are the three types of the heat transfer that occur in the body. Conduction is when the heat is transferred via direct contact and kinetic energy of molecules is transferred from high to low temperatures. As a metal, it acts as a quick heat conductor between the metal tray and the cookies. Second one is convection. Heat is transferred through the gas due to the molecular movement from high-density hot air to a cold area and from the cold air to a hot area. In the oven, a fan is utilized to evenly spread the heat to ensure that the cookies cooks faster and evenly. The third one is radiation. The thermal energy is transferred with the help of electromagnetic waves. To transfer heat, no metal or medium is required. When the rods in the oven are heated, electromagnetic waves are emitted to transfer the heat energy to the surrounding air. In terms of the second law, the cookies in the oven heat up, but not all the heat is used to bake the cookies. Some is lost to the surrounding air as heat energy, increasing the entropy. This is an example of how I can use thermodynamics in my everyday life. That's all from me. Thank you.